So if you are in Photoshop and you are trying to print, you're wanting to print on your XP-8800, you want to be able to use your ICC printer profiles, which are located right here, and you do not see these that says XP-8800 matte, XP-8800 photo glossy, and all of these. If you do not see these in this list, you might have different ones in this list than I do because I have several different printers on here. But if you do not see these ones for the XP-8800, here is the best way that I've found to get these to show up in Photoshop. I'm on a Mac, but you can probably do this in a similar way on a Windows PC. What you want to do is open your system settings, and then in here, we're going to go down to the printers. You can see that I have the XP-8800 installed here. I have lots of other printers installed as well. And so you're likely seeing that your printer's installed, but then you're still not seeing those ICC profiles. Now, if you don't see a printer installed, then you need to install the printer software. This can be downloaded from Epson. If you just type in Epson XP-8800 driver into Google, it's going to take you directly to the Epson website, where you will be able to find the downloads right here. You will choose your operating system. Mine is this one, and then it will give you the software to download. You download this and you follow all of the steps. Now, since I've already installed the printer, I don't need to download this and follow the steps again. This step is just for those of you watching who have not installed your printer already. So now we are back at the Systems Settings, Printers and Scanners. What you want to do is click on the XP-8800 and remove the printer. Go ahead and hit remove. Now go ahead and add a printer again. Now, if you do not see anything showing up here, make sure to turn your printer on, and these should appear. If they don't appear, then go back and reinstall the printer software that I just showed you how to locate previously. But in most cases, if you've already installed the printer once and you have your printer on, these should show up. And so then you've got two options here. You got the Epson TCP/IP and the Bonjour multifunction. When I tried to install the IP version, it did not give me the ICC profile, so I don't know, you might have different results on your printer and computer, but I think it's probably best to go ahead and do the Bonjour multifunction. Next, you want to go down here to Use. Don't just leave this, you want to make sure to check what it is. So select Software. Now you see how I have this one highlighted? This is not the one that I want. I needed to say Epson XP-8800. So go in here and select this and select OK. And then click Add. And now the best step is to go ahead and restart your computer. And then you should see all of the ICC profiles here. If you do not see the ICC profiles, I would suggest to go back and try the IP version and then restart and then check again, because one of the two versions of the software should import everything into your Photoshop. It just kind of depends on which operating system you're using and which computer, but this is the one that worked for me.